Want to explode your YouTube views? Linking your YouTube to TikTok could be the game changer you need. Let's do it in seconds. So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to link your YouTube account to your TikTok account. It has some few steps, just you need to follow this. So let's start the video. Open the TikTok app first and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then you will see your FYP here. Now tap on the profile icon that is at the bottom right corner, and here in profile you will see two options, edit profile and share profile. Just need to click on edit profile option, and you will see several settings over here like name, username, bio, links. Just tap on the link option, and here you will see two options, Instagram and YouTube. Tap on the YouTube option and then a interface will be open. Choose your Google account and grant the permission. So by following this, your YouTube channel will now be seen in your profile. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.